She got a sentence and a lecture.
There's nothing that you own that's worth you giving up your life for.
A local judge's powerful message to a mother whose son shot himself with her gun. Local 4 cameras were the only ones rolling as a longtime Detroit judge lectured a mother during her sentencing today about the dangers of keeping a gun in her house.
Shecolby Green's 9-year-old son shot himself in the hand with his mother's handgun after he found it in her purse. Coco McAvoy spoke one-on-one with the judge after the sentencing, and she's with us now live. Coco?
Devin and Kimberly, Shecolby Green was sentenced to serve 3 years probation, but before she was handed her sentence, Judge Dalton Roberson gave her a lecture about gun ownership, and he told us why he did it.
I'm 80 years old. I've been in public life since I was about 35, and I've never owned a gun.
So as Shecolby Green was being sentenced after her son shot himself in the hand with her gun, Judge Dalton Roberson had a few words.
You are a living example of why people should not have guns in their house. Because with your children in your house, you have to put you thought you was safe in your purse, didn't you? Yes. It wasn't. And you almost gave up your child's life for it.
Green stood silently, listening to Roberson.
Look, I believe that lady's going to do the right thing. You know, she was very distraught about having, gotten caught up in this.
As a prosecutor, assistant U.S. attorney, and a judge, Roberson has seen a lot of cases like Green's and heard a lot of pro-gun arguments.
It's the good people who get these guns out there and do bad things with them, because they think that they're doing good things.
As for the Second Amendment, he says it was put into law in a different time.
We didn't have police forces, so you carried a gun to protect yourself out there. But in an urban society like we do, how many times are somebody going to attack us needlessly?
Roberson knows it's a controversial topic with several positions, but if it's up to him, people should.
We'll wake up and find out that guns is not the answer to our problem.
He says the answer to our problems is education. As for Green's son, she says he's doing fine now. Back to you.
It's interesting, Coco, listening to those remarks. Some of that was channeling what we've heard from Detroit's police chief, James Craig, wasn't it?
Right. So Chief Craig actually has a little bit of an opposite opinion, though. He's always been an advocate for gun ownership, but just making sure that people have training, and he says that he stands by that tonight.
Yeah. All right. All right, Coco.